Today, let's add some detail to your cemetery fencing. I am going to repair my front gates that have looked horrible over the last few years. So you can see I had this really cool trim that I would put on here to make these look intricate. Well, it's literally gone from the entire thing just from weather. A lot of people ask me how I made these gates have all the really cool designs on it. So this is just basically this cheap fencing you can get at the store. I think I got this at Target or Walmart. So I've finally got me some new stuff. It's not the same as what I had before, which it doesn't have to be, but this is just so brittle. I mean, look at this. I could just disintegrate this in my hand and it just keeps falling off. So it's time. It's been on there since I built this thing. So I'm gonna put this new stuff on here and then paint it, and I will have my fancy gate again. So that's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna basically cut these ends off, just anything. I'm using some snippers here. Get those all cut off, and then you can place it on your fence. Should look something like this. Beautiful already. And I'm pre-drilling here. You don't have to necessarily pre-drill. I did it for the first part of it, and then once I pre-drilled, put some screws in there, and bam, you're pretty much done. You can attach these lots of different ways. I've used zip ties, screws. I think I've glued it on there before. But either way, it comes out beautiful.